Hola, hola, kapas. All right, let's greet ourselves in an African way, because even the white people, they call themselves Africans. Abinobiso. Okay, Captain Khan here, and you already know everything about us remains 100% reality. Today, I want to talk about users. The topic of today is users. Users. So, not username and password. Users. What do I mean if I say users? Users are the people that take advantage of other people. Users are the people that think they are too wise. Users are the people that will come to you, that want something but they don't want to pay. Users are people who will only remember you when they need you. Users. You want me to go on? Because the list is endless. Where can you find users? Kappas, users are your everyday people. The people you spend your time, your day, you do activities with. People who doesn't know you can never take advantage of you because they don't know you, and everybody fear what they don't know. The fear of unknown. So when we are talking about users, it can only be people that are close to you. That means to say, the people who want your downfall are the people who are close to you. These people want you to do good. These people they will say they want the best for you. But these are the kind of people that they don't even want you to do better than them. So what are we talking about? We're talking about users. Users can even come from your family. Users can even be your girlfriend, can be the one you fuck with. Users can be from the street. Users can be your customer, client. You see when Maye won't turn you to Maye. So you need to open your head as a G. Whatever you do in life, you put what? You do mathematics. So don't give room to users. Because whatsoever that happens to you, you allow it to happen. You can't put the blame on anybody. You can put the blame on me. You can put the blame on me. Put the blame on yourself. Because you've allowed users. That's why it's good to just let it happen once and don't give it another chance. The negativity part of life. Second chance is too much nowadays, I'm telling you. Because these days, the seconds, it doesn't go like this anymore. Pam, pam, pam. It's going like this. So no time. Don't say, no, let me see if this person is going to change. How do you know users? They take advantage a lot. They only want to get from you. They don't care about you. They will act like they care, but they don't care. They act like they want the best for you. They don't. Users. I'm giving them the name users because I've came across a lot of people in my life. It's not a bad thing to have a good mind. Good mind, one mind, like Patoranking said. Let black help black. Let black fall with black. Don't let black fall black. Black should not fall back to help black. See, that's why we created our own platform. We created our platform to assist the creative industry, to assist people, assist anybody, the ghetto youth. I know how many people, I know how many businesses I've put online in Africa. I don't charge much. I even do for some people free. I don't want to put that here because my mood just changed right now and I feel like I'm in America because of Joe Biden. Alright, this is not a joking matter, Kappas. I'm just trying to test my American swag because, you know, All road lead to America because my guy is in now. And a big shout out to my nigga, my homie, my boss. What else can I call him? A role model, you know. Mentor. Joe Biden. God bless America. God bless Africa. What about now, ladies and gentlemen? We should be talking about the United States of Africa. Let's come together, man. Black and black. Let's do this, man. We can do this. Don't let us give room to users. So, you know you got users in your life. I know I got users in my life. Users are the people that we just do things for and we don't get from them, but we think we should continue helping them. Even God, if God blesses you, He wants you to come in return and give thanks, gratitude. So what are we talking about? Because there is this quote that says, no, just help people, help them, just do this, just do that. I don't think they will come and pay you back. Yes, I know I've done that. I used to do that and I'm still going to be doing that. But when it comes to business, you need to be clever. Don't run business like you are running a charity. That is why there is word called charity. When you are running a charity organization, you know you are running a charity organization. When you are doing a business, you know you are doing a business. You need to be business oriented. You don't mix business with pleasure. When you mix business with pleasure, my brother, you give room for users. They just go and use you. Listen to me. Of this, that everybody want money. If you stretch out to give money, people will take it. So why am I using money? Because it's the best material thing you can ever get. If you have money, you can get every other things. So if you give people free things, if you give people your time, if you give people they will take it. Don't blame them. They are not saying you should be a good person. They are not saying you must be a good person. They are not in you. You are in control of this vessel, of this body. Oh my nigga, you have the key. You are the driver. So why don't you sit in the driver's side of your life and drive yourself to your success? And don't give room for users. In Africa, all our leaders, most of them, they are users. Why? Because no plan for the citizen. We knew what happened during COVID-19. Go to Nigeria, my country. The food that people are supposed to be eating during the lockdown was kept in a warehouse across the nations by the governors, by the so-called leaders, rulers, wicked rulers, users. They use the own resources, you see. So the definition of users is endless, like I told you. I wanted to start with myself so that it doesn't look like you understand, because this is reality. If you tell me you don't have problem in your life, then you don't have a problem. Every man is living with a problem. Every day there is problem. That is why we are looking for solution every day. Problems come on problems on problems on problems. How do I do this? How do I buy that? How do I take this? How do I do that? Is a problem. Then you're thinking in your head how to solve it. Whatsoever you want to do that you want to accomplish is in line, is under the problem category. I mean the things you want to do that you can't do, not the things you want to do but you have resources to do them. That's not a problem. But the things you want to do, your aspiration you want to do, the things you're aspiring to be, but you have never been there, it is going to turn to a problem. That's why people get depression. So you give people too much control over your life, so you lose yourself. You don't spend time for yourself. You give room for users. You give room for people to take over your life. Then the next minute you start complaining. Users are the people that you will think they're planning with you, but they are doing their things. Okay, the government, are they not acting like they love us? Are they not acting like they are there for us? Oh my God, have you ever seen them during election campaign? Have you seen them? I'm using the politician now so that you know there is users everywhere. So we, for example, the citizen of Nigeria, we've never give room for users. Even before this protest started, we've never given room for users. We've never allowed the government to camp us down. We always look for way out. All Nigerians are great people. Individually, we have our bad characters. Not even only in Nigeria. Everybody does that. So I don't know. It's because we are giants of Africa. That's why wherever we go, whatever things happen, they say it's Nigeria, it's Nigerians. You see? But that's not the topic of today. The topic of today is users. So my brothers and sisters, Kappas, what I'm telling you this morning, today is Monday. Time to take back what belongs to you. Time to do it right. Time to start afresh. Time to say no to users. And I pray for you this morning, whoever and whatsoever that's turned to be a user in your life will live your life this morning. We don't pray for our enemy to die. We should wish them a good life so that they can see our success. Don't pray for your enemy to die. For what? You can't live in the world alone. That's why these people, they will still be in your life. But all I'm saying this morning is, I'm not saying these people, maybe you will push them out. Or sometimes you have to push them out. Sometimes you have to just go your way. But if there are still, for example, if there is any user in your family, there is this person that always want to take from you. It doesn't even call to check up on you. But whenever they need something, they call you. They remember you. They are users. It doesn't matter, they should give back. But you know, when they are not doing their own part, but they only want you to do, that is the user sign. The past episode, I was talking about how you think people don't have your number anymore, but when they need you, all of a sudden you just see them calling you, and you'll be surprised they still have your number. That's users. Even the politicians, when it's election campaign, they will go and bring, they will go to the ghetto, they will give the youth guns, they will give them money, they'll use them as campaign talks. It happens. I know when I went through. Nigga man, you want to know. You don't want to know. You don't want to know. So don't give room for any users. Be in control of your life, nigga man. Ever since I've been doing my thing, omo yami, I no go lie for you. I thank God, do. Freedom is free. Freedom is good, oh. Freedom is sweet, oh. You can wake up wherever you want to wake up. You can go wherever you want to go. Even if you are not where you think you are supposed to be. And there is no better place. Better place is where you are now. So do it now. Focus on now. Now we bring later. So now you don't need user. You don't need user. You need people that you can mix up together and make things happen. You don't need people who will just come and take from you. My brother, you better invest where you are going to reap. Better don't go and put your things in the ocean. I remain Captain Khan, and everything about me remain reality. That's the feelings of this morning about users. Users can be anywhere. They can even be in the church. You met somebody on the street and you think he's a good person. You guys had transaction together and something else happened. What are you going to call that? What are you going to do? You're going to move on. Because even your pastor is a human being. So don't think people, don't expect too much from people. That's what I'm going to tell you. Your girlfriend can be user. Girlfriends, people you fuck with. Open your eyes. They will act like they love you. It's a lie. Especially people you just meet on the street. You want to hear from us what we are facing in South Africa. All this winter, what they do to us. But it doesn't mean if you're a good person, you attract good things. If you're a good person, you attract good people. So, and there's no way you have good people in your life, you still have these other people who are users. So you are left to use your brain and calculate and make things work right. You understand? Because you allow things that happen to you to happen. Let black help black. But don't let black use black. Let's start helping ourselves. Go online right now. Be Boss is a new innovation from City Alert Plus Cap TV. Be Boss is business, branding, and online solution services. So the abbreviation is Be Boss. It's a new innovation under City Alert Plus Cap TV to put small business or small business owners or traders, whatever you do, whoever you be, your brand, to put you online. It comes with free listing. You are going to have your official business booking site. And when people Google about what you do or anything that has to do with your product and services in that category will pop up on Google. Not only on Google, even on every other searching engine. So why don't you contact Serial Alert Plus today and thank God later? Because we are going to give you what you think you can get. Because these days people think to be online, you have to be ABSA, you have to be FMB, you have to be McDonald's, you have to be big. If you are just starting your business or your business is small, you can be online, you can sell more online, you can reach out to more clients online, It's just there. And it's our new normal. That is not the topic of today. It's an advert. Go right now on Google, Google City Allied Plus. Under City Allied Plus, our profile, you are going to see business branding and online solution services powered and originated by City Allied Plus Cap TV. Make some money, make some moolah. Send me some moolah too, man, if you're making it. And if you want, I still do good. I can send you moolah too. But I need to see your potential before I can send you moolah, because I'm about giving money out to my subscribers now. I'm starting my giveaway now. I need to give back to the street. I need to help others as I've been helping. I don't want to stop. I need to do more. You can Google Help a Child Today. It's by City Allied Plus. You guys, I love you. You're too much. I want to say big up to Kappas. Thank you all. Thank you, YouTubers. Thanks for the subscriptions. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the comments. Oh my God, you need to see my channel now. It's getting busy and I'm happy. The dream has already become real. Why am I not going to be happy? Why am I not going to thank God? Why am I going to stop helping people? I'm just going to take users aside and focus on the right people. And that is what you also need to do. So Kappas, thank you so much. The YouTube is growing so fast. We love you. So we're also dropping content on Captain Can Reality TV. Also subscribe, like, share. City Allied Plus, Cap TV, connecting people and activities. I remain Captain Can, and everything about me remain 100% reality. Till I come your way next time, stay blessed and make use of your time. Be productive. Go out there and get what belongs to you.